Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Three Little Birds. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, barbecue facilities and a skiing. Located in Big Bear Lake, 4.4 miles from Big Bear Marina, 4.7 miles from Alpine Slide at Magic Mountain and a 18-minute walk from Bear Mountain Golf Course, Three Little Birds has accommodations with a balcony and free Wi-Fi. Featuring free private parking, the vacation home is in an area where guests can engage in activities such as hiking, skiing and tennis. The vacation home is fitted with 3 separate bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area and dishwasher, and a living room with a TV. Towels and bed linen are offered. The vacation home has a grill. Aspen Glen Picnic Area is 5.2 miles from Three Little Birds, while Animal Park is a 13-minute walk from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.